Hello, word friends, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English word, broadcaster. This is a B2 level noun meaning a person who speaks on radio or television programs. So, a broadcaster is essentially someone who presents or reports on the airwaves, bringing news, entertainment, and information to our ears and eyes. You hear them on the radio, you see them on television, and they are the voices and faces of many of the programs we enjoy. Think of your favorite news anchor, sports commentator, or radio DJ. Chances are, they are all broadcasters. Now, let's delve a little deeper into what makes a broadcaster a broadcaster. It's not just about speaking into a microphone or reading from a teleprompter. A good broadcaster needs to be clear, concise, engaging, and often very quick on their feet. They need to be able to think on their feet, handle unexpected situations gracefully, and maintain a connection with their audience, even when things get a little chaotic. Consider this example. The broadcaster expertly guided the audience through the breaking news coverage. Here, we see a broadcaster in action, using their skills to inform and keep the public updated on important events. So, what are some words that are similar to broadcaster? Let's explore some synonyms. We could use the word presenter. For example, the award ceremony was hosted by a well-known presenter. Another synonym is reporter. Imagine saying, the reporter delivered a compelling story from the front lines. We also have the term announcer. An example sentence would be, the announcer excitedly introduced the band onto the stage. These words all share the common thread of someone communicating to a wide audience through media, even though they may have slightly different focuses. A presenter might focus more on entertainment, a reporter on news gathering, and an announcer on making announcements. Now, let's flip the coin and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of broadcaster. One antonym could be listener. For example, the listener called in to share their opinion on the show. Another antonym is viewer. Consider this sentence. The viewer was captivated by the documentary. Finally, we might think of reader. For example, the reader enjoyed the author's latest novel. These words represent the audience receiving the information, a contrast to the broadcaster who is providing it. It is important to remember that without a listener, viewer, or reader, a broadcaster has no audience. How can you use the word broadcaster in your everyday life? Well, you can use it when talking about your favorite news programs, describing the people you listen to on the radio, or even when discussing the media industry in general. For example, you might say, my dream is to become a sports broadcaster and commentate on the Olympics. Or, the network is searching for a new broadcaster to host their morning show. You could also say, she is a talented broadcaster known for her insightful interviews. Here are a few more example sentences to solidify your understanding. The broadcaster signed a multi-year contract with the network. The broadcaster emphasized the importance of community involvement. The broadcaster asked thought-provoking questions during the debate. He is a seasoned broadcaster with years of experience in the field. The broadcaster adjusted the microphone before beginning the show. And that brings us to the end of today's Hello Word. We've learned that a broadcaster is a person who speaks on radio or television programs, delivering information and entertainment to audiences far and wide. We've explored synonyms like presenter, reporter, and announcer, and antonyms like listener, viewer, and reader. We've also seen how broadcaster can be used in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on this linguistic journey. Your support means the world to me. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your feedback helps others discover the show and continue their English learning journey. Now, I have a little challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word broadcaster and share it as a comment below this video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, Keep exploring the wonderful world of words.